Our world is in the midst of unprecedented change in the way we manage water. As the population increases, it becomes more and more important to take care of this resource. As we continue to bulldoze land in the name of progress, we expose soil which often ends up in our lakes, streams, rivers, and oceans. Commercial development can dump a large amount of sediment into these bodies of water. The more that gets eroded, the bigger the problem.
Sediment and contaminated runoff from construction sites is a universal problem anywhere where you have rainfall. In fact, the US EPA says that contaminated runoff from construction sites is the #1 source of contamination in surface water in the United States. The Clean Water Act and the Endangered Species Act were enacted specifically to protect the surface waters of the United States from construction site runoff and other stormwater runoff. Part of the program, in order to be qualified to do a construction project, is to implement best management practices. We call these BMPs. They include silt fence, rock check dams, that sort of thing. Those are good measures for being able to hold back sediment from wholesale washing into streams and bays, but they do very little to improve water quality.
For years, contractors have taken steps to reduce the amount of dirt that runs off their work sites and into nearby bodies of water. But often, the outdated methods of treatment simply aren't good enough to meet today's high standards for clean water. Now, this state-of-the-art construction stormwater treatment system, engineered and brought to market by OSW Equipment and Repair, is making a clear difference. By using a multi-pod sand filter capable of flow rates from 250 to 2,000 gallons of water per minute, this fully automated system produces water in compliance with all environmental regulations.
This innovative technology was created in the Pacific Northwest around 1999 in direct response to cries of help from contractors. Contractors were not being allowed to work from October to March specifically because of this runoff issue. We developed the technology, implemented it for truck washes and treatment systems. This enabled construction to be able to work year-round. Imagine how it would be to run a business where every 7 months you had to shut your business down for 5 months. The innovative benefits to using chitosan for treating stormwater are twofold. First of all, chitosan is a unique cationic coagulant which draws the small particles of sediment together in water and then prevents them from penetrating the sand filter. The particles stay behind, only clean water goes through the sand filter. The other benefit for using chitosan originally was through the permitting process. Chitosan is a natural product. It's biodegradable, and it's very safe for the environment. So the regulatory agencies felt much more secure about allowing this material to be used in environmental applications.
This is the soaker wheel wash, a high-volume, low-pressure, deluge-type wheel and truck undercarriage wash system. The soaker is the only wheel wash with an integral dry polymer feed system used to continuously treat the dirty wheel wash water. Because wheel wash systems recycle their wash water, this treatment is absolutely necessary to keep the water clean.
The soaker wheel wash is a very highly portable and easy to install unit. It can be installed in less than a day. As a truck approaches the wheel wash, motion sensors activate the system, which turn on the pumps and allows the truck to proceed. Timers can be adjusted and set anywhere from 20 seconds to a continuous run based on the amount of truck traffic. Once the truck activates the system, a chemical hopper begins dosing chemical into the water to remove the turbidity and keep clean water all day long. The wheel wash can be deployed in a matter of hours and set up and running, as well as the water treatment system. Based on the job site conditions and requirements, it can be set up in less than a day. Portability is very important to OSW because it allows us to set up on a job site for rapid response situations in where there's dirt tracking off a job or dirty water leaving a job site to infect waterways or storm drains.
Headquartered in Snohomish, Washington, OSW Equipment and Repair builds rapidly deployable water treatment technologies to protect our nation's water resources in construction projects, industrial facilities, mining operations, log sort yards, and landfills. OSW works to bring the safest water treatment chemistry and the highest quality treatment equipment together to protect the world's surface water, while helping to balance the need for growth with the requirements of the Clean Water Act.
OSW's mission is to manufacture and provide water treatment technology and environmental equipment to assure the customers have the most effective solutions on the market.
We're very satisfied with the operation of this system. It's done a really good job keeping us in compliance with all the environmental requirements that we have to adhere to, and maintenance has been minimal. It's done quite a good job for us. I would recommend this to other contractors on other projects. It's done a really good job keeping our equipment clean and keeping track out to a minimum. Its maintenance has been almost non-existent. They're really efficient to set up and break down. We've had to move them several times, and they've done a really good job for us all along the project.
Our vision for the future at OSW is to continue to upgrade our water treatment systems and wheel wash systems, but to branch out these technologies into new applications. Some of these applications would include industrial stormwater treatment, landfill, wheel wash systems, mining, and log sort yards.
These OSW systems bring natural organic treatment agents together with state-of-the-art treatment equipment, fully self-contained and more portable than any treatment systems ever built. Learn more about the fine products available from OSW Equipment and Repair today. For more information on all makes and models of wheel washes and water treatment systems, go to oswequipment.com or call the number on your screen.